Our tagline at Biointelect is bringing science to market. That we support companies in commercialising all the way through to getting a regulatory approval and getting products on the market that can actually be used. And that was also the joint vision with Bioselect, being able to offer the distribution business.
It was exciting to start our own business, understanding the potential risks of having your own business. But it was exciting, and it was a journey that we both decided to go on and build a business, and it's something that we've always wanted to do, is be entrepreneurial.
Like many things, there wasn't an obvious starting point. We were actually looking around at lots of different opportunities, and the ideas were forming. And for me, the phone started ringing because I was known to have knowledge in vaccines, and consulting projects started to come in before we created the company.
Part of the vision with Biointellect and to have a distribution business, Bioselect, where we'd have clients in Biointellect who would need a solution in Australia to distribute their products. So that was really the vision that we had for Bioselect, and really to put into place what we'd done in the industry throughout our career was to launch and commercialise products.
Chosen to wait for Novavax to be available. I have preferred a traditional vaccine to be introduced into myself. I'm not an anti-vax, but I am a pro-choice, and this was my choice. So I'm very, very excited to be the first recipient of the Novavax vaccine.
The really cool thing about working with Novavax is that we've been able to work with them from quite an early stage. We'd been a client since they were doing phase 1 trials here with other vaccines, and they obviously had a good platform. So to actually then, be part of the story of bringing their COVID-19 vaccine all the way through to market, that's really proud, because the two companies together, bringing science to market, building pathways to patients.
It's been fantastic to work with the Novavax team. That was exciting, but the weight of the responsibility of partaking in a potential solution for the pandemic, the weight of that responsibility did weigh heavily.
Playing a role in the pandemic and feeling like the vaccine may play a role in protecting Australians, New Zealanders, obviously really rewarding, and you can't ask for a better opportunity than that. So that was really motivating. Novavax was starting their clinical trials in Australia in May of 2020. So what was exciting, they were the first to do a trial in the Southern Hemisphere for the COVID vaccine. That started in May, and when they started to negotiate with the Commonwealth about the contract, we were involved supporting them along the way, and then obviously it became clear at some point in time that they would need a local sponsor. And because we had this deep partnership and long-term relationship, they obviously asked Karl and Bioselect to act as sponsor with both TGA and MedSafe. We love the diversity of the team. We've got lots of people from different ethnic backgrounds, different nationalities, different language skills.
It enriches the environment that you work in.
Yeah, we love it, and we've got obviously the greater breadth we have in Biointellect, the better our service offer. We've got people with vaccine experience, drug experience, device experience. multilingual, worked in Europe, worked in the US. We've got people that have come out of universities with PhDs who've got deep scientific and technical knowledge. We've got people that have done MBAs and are really good, strategic thinkers. We've got people that are really well qualified in project management. So we've got this massive diversity, and in commercialisation, nobody can have all the skills in the tent. You can't. The important thing is to know what you don't know, and to be able to bring in the skills that you need from outside when you can. So I guess our team is built around the core skill sets that we need, and the model is that we kind of plug and play the expertise according to the project. And again, that I think is very rewarding for the team, because they get to work on such a diversity of projects. And
what's important to me is the team, and the fantastic group of people that we've got working for us in both companies. It's something I'm very proud of.